Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and if you're into Huck's World. And today we got ACD back in the building, people, and he's doing his thing. He's showing off a new creation. It's called ACD Fitness Time. Now, I'm liking his watch face. I'm giving him 2 thumbs up in the door for overall design. I thought he did a great job. Now, in the always on mode, you're going to get the same look as you would when the watch face is on. It's just going to be dimmed down in a black theme mode. Not bad at all. But when the watch face is on, it has a very nice design. Now down at the bottom, I like this because you get all your step status info in one place. Just tap into it and it goes right into it with no problem. I'm loving this one. You get your step info, heart rate, calories burned, floors climbed, and you also get your step goal completed. Also you get your battery info down at the bottom, miles walked or ran, separation of the time. I love it. I think it adds character to the watch face. You get your day, your date, and your month, which is important. Also, you can make a phone call up here so you get a few shortcuts and your weather. So I'm liking it. I'm liking what he brought to the table. He offered us a lot of convenience within this watch face, which I thought was pretty cool. And on top of it, you can customize the watch face. You got 12 colors in all that you can change to. Just double tap. And you got a lot of nice vibrant colors. I like this black theme right here. Tight for when you're going out. I'm going to tap through a few of them just to give you an idea of what you're going to be in for when you download this watch face. Alright you all, that's going to be it for the video. Hit me in the comment section down below. Of course, you know I want to know your thoughts on this watch face. And if you like the video, make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.